Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a topic that is often overlooked but is crucial to success of any business. Common business model mistakes and how to fix them. I am your host Anil Jacob. As a business consultant and coach, I have seen firsthand how these mistakes can lead to the failure of a business. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the most common mistakes that entrepreneurs make when creating their business models and how to avoid them. Before we dive in, let me share a quote from Thomas Edison. I have not failed, but I have found 10,000 times which won't work. Remember that failure is not the end, it's a learning opportunity. By avoiding these mistakes, you can increase your chances for success. Mistake number 1, lack of market research. One of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make is not conducting thorough marketing research. It's important to understand your target audience and their needs, preferences, and behaviors. Without this information, your business model may not align with the market, leading to failure. Mistake number 2, poor revenue streams. Another mistake is not having multiple revenue streams. A single revenue stream may not be sustainable in the long run, and diversifying your revenue streams can help you weather economic downturns or changes in the market. Mistake number 3, ignoring the competition. Ignoring your competition can be a fatal mistake. It's important to understand your competitors and what they offer to ensure that your business model is unique and provides value to your target audience. Mistake number 4, not considering cost. Entrepreneurs often overlook the importance of cost analysis. It's important to consider all costs associated with your business, including fixable and variable costs, to ensure that your business model is profitable. Mistake number 5, lack of flexibility. Not having a flexible business model can be a big mistake. As the market changes, your business model may need to evolve as well. Having the ability to adapt and pivot can be crucial to the success of your business. Mistake number 6, not having a sustainable revenue model. Many startups fail to generate revenue and end up shutting down due to lack of funds. To avoid this mistake, it is essential to have a sustainable revenue model in place from the start. You need to identify your target market, understand their needs and preferences, and develop a product or service that meets those needs. You should also have a pricing strategy in place that allows you to generate revenue while remaining competitive in the market. Mistake number 7, ignoring customer feedback. Another common mistake that startups having is ignoring customer feedback. Many entrepreneurs have a vision of their product or service and focus solely on that vision, ignoring what their customer actually wants. However, customer feedback is crucial in determining whether your business model is viable or not. You need to listen to your customers, understand their pain points, and use their feedback to improve your product or service. This will not only help you to retain your existing customers but also attract new ones. Now that you know some of the common business model mistakes, it's important to take action and ensure that your business model is strong and sustainable. Consider conducting thorough market research, diversifying your revenue streams, analyzing your cost and understanding your competition, and building flexibility to your business model. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Remember, creating a successful business model requires careful planning and consideration. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of success. Keep learning, adapting and growing, and never give up on your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next session.